Hey guys, Mr. Waidul Haq here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to watch movies on your BMW F30 3 Series 2013 to 2018, is it? They do up to? I'm not sure. So yeah, first of all you need to pick a movie. So here's my dad's collection of movies. My favorite is Rush Hour. I watched this when I was like 7, 6, I don't know. And I loved it ever since. It's my favorite movie of all time. I shouldn't have watched it as a kid, but I did. But yeah, gonna get this movie and go to the car now. Well guys, we're inside the car. I've not drove it in a week, so my battery's fucked. But I believe it had a bad battery anyway, so I'm gonna have to get that changed or charged or something, I don't know. So if you go to check control, so we did get a good car, there's no actual problem. Look, fog light failure, parking failure. These are fog lights, I've got some coming. Parking light, I've got them free as well, LED, so that's not an issue. And then battery discharging while stationary, that's because we're not moved. The battery said it was quite low. At the moment I'm using the heated seats, everything, so we should be driving it, but I've not drove it yet. And look at the weather, that's why we can't drive it. It's awful. So yeah, and the only sound that makes a bit of a oh, there's a buddy. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, the battery is charged. The only noise that is concerning to me is this. Listen. Do you hear that tiny whine? So most likely, because the timing change has already been done, it's most likely the turbo that's failing. So it will in the future fail. I just don't know when. My dad said just to leave it and drive it, and when it does fail, it's gonna fail, get it fixed. So I believe that's when we'll do it. So yeah, it is what it is. Get a breakdown cover. But yeah, hopefully it lasts for me for the next 2-3 years and I can just sell it on. Yeah, we'll see. But I've not seen any reduction in power or nothing like horsepower. It's really fast. So yeah, hopefully it lasts and doesn't cause any issues. So yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to watch movies. So what you want to do is go to media. Oh, okay, so here, this is where you know if you can watch movies or not, because it says CD, DVD. So DVD is where if it doesn't say DVD there, you cannot watch movies on your system. You can probably get it coded in, but actually some of them you can, some of them you can't. That's what I mean. It's a bit complicated if you want to retrofit it, because with the ones that you can, it's a certain model number, because the CD player, the actual physical CD player has to be able to read DVDs. So some models have it, some models don't. So some you can activate it, others you can't. So it's a bit complicated if you don't have it. There is ways to check it, but I don't know all that. You need to check all the serial codes and stuff. But yeah, so this car has it because it says CD DVD. So what you do is just click that, and then no disc. So we're gonna be playing some Rush Hour. Okay, so when I figured this out that it actually works on this sick, I thought, wow. Alright, so let me put the CD in. You just put it in like normal. Let it swallow you up. There you go. What's better than imagine watching Home Alone in this snow with the heat? And look, my front windows are tinted. I don't know how much, so hopefully I don't get pulled over for them. So as you can see, the video is loading. Simple as that, guys. And you got some sound. So this is the warning screen. You control everything through here. Alright, warning page is done, I think. Yep. So you control this all through this system. So, and there's a setting to make it full screen, by the way. That's what I figured out. I just need to, hopefully it stays, I kept the setting. So the Rush Hour's loaded, and then you control everything with this tiny wheel here. Come on, you bloody bastard. This one I don't like. Okay, so play movie. Look, you got no controls here, so what you do is you press the DVD menu. That's when you get the controls, so you can move everything about. So I'm going to press play movie. So to activate DVD controls, press menu, yeah? Alright, so as you can see, it's not in full screen right now. So what I'm going to do is press options, and then you press on display settings. So every time you watch a movie you have to do that. Oh no, it's not display settings, there's something else on it. What was it under? Oh, further options, I think. There you go, zoom mode. So put zoom mode on, it should go full screen. There you go, guys. Let me skip a bit. Next chapter. Let's skip a full chapter. There you go. Put some sound up. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. So as you can see, we're in full screen mode now. The screen's really bright and nice. I don't know if they can play Blu-ray, but yeah. So we've got a Rush Hour guy there, Jung Tao, and we've got Jackie Chan. Hey, don't move, motherfucker! You can put subtitles on and everything, but you have to go to the settings and do it. I'm just showing you how to do everything. Just how to use it in basic. My heated seats are really nice right now. They're burning my ass. That's really nice. Daiwa! So yeah, that's how you watch a movie, guys. Before I get copyright, let me turn this down. Okay. And yeah, eject button. Simple as that. I'm on to the radio now. Okay, so let me take this out. Oh guys, we got interrupted by my brother, but all is good. So yeah, heated seats is fucking well warm. And one thing to know, when your battery is very low, fan speed does not increase. It's lowered because it's trying to prevent your battery from dying. So I do need to take this out for a drive soon. So the main reason I started the car is because it needs to, otherwise eventually I'm gonna have to use the key in the door, because look how bad the weather is and this battery is shit. I do have a battery charger, but getting that battery out the back boot of this car is fucking needs. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. That's how you watch a movie, and that's how you know if you thingy. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.